Yeah, one more time. Say welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
Yeah. Hey, that was so cute, actually. Yeah, she looks really
I
bad.
love him. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, it's... Do one back stunt, you know?
Like this?
Yeah, Richard.
There's children.
This is why they call it Sin City.
Sin City.
Sin City.
Welcome to Las Vegas. Okay, that's good now. So good, man.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright,
Hello, what's your name?
hi, my name is Jay.
Jay. And what's your name?
Now,
Ja.
I go to UNLV here. My advice to people that are visiting, don't go on the strip, go downtown because downtown's way cheaper than the strip. And way better because you don't have to wear dress code. Yeah.
How's the cost of drinks here? Cost of drinks?
Honestly,
Yeah.
anywhere from like $5 to like $10.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you said drinks.
yeah, drinks, exactly.
Did you say drinks?
Yeah,
Oh,
drinks.
Okay. Anywhere from like $5 to $10. That's downtown. Maybe like 15.
15.
Bottles here,
Yeah.
you can get a $20 bottle at
Yeah.
Sam's.
Yeah.
They charge you like $300 here.
Wow.
So you're getting finesse for sure.
Wow. What is the most exciting thing you found in this city? Like the most exciting, like you feel like it's so different,
Like
you know?
24 hours. Everything's 24 hours. Yeah, you can drink alcohol any time of the night. You can walk down the street on the strip with an open container. You can drink at all times.
And also I felt like weed in the air, like everywhere.
Yeah, legal.
Yeah.
You can smoke. You can walk around and smoke a blunt. That doesn't tell you nothing. You can get high whenever you want.
So where are you guys from, like originally?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Oh, damn, we came from there actually.
Yeah, I just moved here from Chicago.
Oh, you from Chicago?
She's a local.
from Vegas.
She's a local.
Oh, from here.
Yeah.
So what's the cost of living here, like for a month?
So, it depends. If you get like a studio, it's like
Yeah.
600 to 700 depending how nice.
Oh, dollars.
Yeah.
Wow, it's super cheap.
If you get like a
Ooh,
2-bedroom,
man.
it's probably like around 8 to 900.
Oh,
I
wow.
live in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's like 900. So it's not.
Here in Las Vegas?
Yeah, if you rent a house, honestly, like a 3-bedroom
Yeah.
house would
Yeah.
cost you about like 1100, 1200.
It's really cheap.
Wow. So what's the difference between the strip and downtown?
So downtown it's like way cheaper because
Yeah.
you can, like she was saying,
Yeah.
walk down and there's walk.
And literally they have like bars
Yeah.
like right across the street. So you walk the street and then you're into the next bar.
Oh, wow.
And normally entry is only like $5.
Oh,
I think the
wow.
most I've seen is 20, but that's only on a night where it's like super
Like first
poppin'.
Friday. Yeah, that's like super
Other than that, it's like between $5 and $10 to get in. Sometimes it's free. It just depends how many people are
It's
there.
normally free for girls.
Yeah, it's always free for girls. Almost always.
Oh,
Check out Red. It's
Yeah.
super ratchet, super fun. Check it out.
yeah, it's got red.
Red or
I
Gold
recommend
Spike.
Commonwealth. And
yeah.
Gold Spike.
Gold Spike is super
Gold
fun.
Spike for sure.
Definitely.
Gold Spike's like an adult playground.
Yeah.
Oh,
They have
wow.
hella cool stuff at Gold Spike. I would definitely check it out. If you're visiting, I'm trying to think where else.
Wow.
What else? What else?
I don't know what else is down there. Fremont Street experience. They have zip lining. I think it's $20. So you can zip line across the top, like over people. It's
Oh,
really cool. You can do that down there.
And everything closes at like 4 or 5 in the morning.
so give yourself shout out on Instagram, yeah.
Shout out to me. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at NoNotValerie.
Repeat again, like spell it one by one, the letter.
NoNotValerie. No, not Valerie.
Okay. And you?
Shout out to me. I got 2 different names.
Yeah.
2 different names.
Yeah.
So my Twitter is Kawaii Thought.
No, if they follow you one, then they can follow you the rest, you know. So give us like
Alright,
the
alright.
one you want
I'll
to
give
be
you my
followed.
Instagram and my Twitter.
Yeah.
So my Twitter name is Kawaii Thought with an O. So it's KAWIITH0T.
Very
And
good.
then my Instagram is KY Cutie Pie 13. So that's KYCUTIEPIE 13.
So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put her Instagram in the link below. Please check because that name sounds really complicated. Yeah, so yeah. Say welcome to Vegas, maybe.
Welcome to Vegas!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video or you enjoyed this video of Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with
Richard from Richard Drill.
Yeah, I'm with Richard and actually we'll be making these videos together. Kindly guys, as you watch this, hit that subscribe button in Richard's YouTube channel.
Check out Richard's Real Traveler.
Yeah, and also, man, give this video a like. If it gets 1,000 likes and 1,000 shares, we shall be doing again and again. Yeah, right now in Las Vegas, man, look at these things here, man. I want to show you like crazy things, but yeah, a lot of crazy things in Vegas, man. Weed everywhere, beautiful girls. Look, man. Super beautiful girls here, man. Like, it's so amazing. Yeah, but we're gonna film, even if it feels sometimes like a little uncomfortable. We have to show you what this thing is about, man, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, man. That's why we're gonna say give the video what?
Give it 1,000 likes and we'll
yeah,
make
1,000 videos and we'll make another. And if you subscribe to Richard and subscribe to me, we shall do double videos a day, 2 videos a day.
Yep.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jaylene.
Jenly, and your name is?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. Do you guys have Instagram?
Yeah.
One more time. Say welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada. Maybe at the end of the video, we shall put your Instagrams. Maybe somebody will follow you.
Maybe.
Yeah. So tell us about Las Vegas, Nevada. What do you think about this place?
Las Vegas is the place you want to go.
Uh-huh.
And you need to get away.
You need to get away.
You want to come here, have fun. It's Sin City, baby.
Uh-huh.
Have fun, have a
Oh,
good time.
Sin City. Yeah, actually, they
Yes,
told me
right?
Sin City. Yeah.
Have a good time.
Yeah.
Vegas is the getaway.
It's a getaway.
It's just fuck.
Wow.
Breathtaking.
How long have you been here? Like maybe like partying or?
We flew in Wednesday night.
Uh-huh.
We're here till Tuesday morning.
Oh damn, man! It's really like.
For the life. She's my new friend.
Oh.
We make new friends.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Denver.
Denmark. Oh wow.
Denver.
So
Denver.
how is the cost of cost of partying and everything here?
It's fun.
The cost, how much? Like for example,
cost
yeah.
for ladies, so guest list.
Okay.
Yeah, so,
Uh-huh.
I don't know, to be honest, but I'm sure it's expensive.
So let's say if somebody wants to come to Las Vegas for the first time, what would you tell them to carry with them or like to have in their mind?
Depends. Are they millennials or are they adults?
Yeah, let's say adults, yeah.
Like older people?
Let's say from 24 and above.
Clubs, buffets.
Uh-huh.
What else? The sightseeing, just sightseeing in general.
Sightseeing.
It's gorgeous here.
Wow.
The people you meet, the people
Yeah.
that blurt out at you, it's just funny. It's a good vibe everywhere around.
Oh wow, she's so silent. Say something, say something.
I get so nervous in front of camera.
Okay, so it's okay, I totally. Hey, what's up guys? I hope you give this video a like. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. I'm with Richard right here. Man, Richard, say something about Las Vegas, man.
Hey, what's up, bro? We're here in Las Vegas. You smell weed everywhere.
Weed is everywhere, man. Like, damn, weed, man. Hope you guys like this video, man. We worked so hard for you. We drove actually how many hours from?
About 5 hours today.
Actually, like from LA directly to here. We came from LA. So you can imagine, man, we really work hard to give you this content, man. The best thing you can do is to subscribe to Richard's World, the link down below. And also hit that like button if we get 1,000 likes in this video. We shall do more, man.
Yep. See you guys later. Please subscribe and like.
Thank you guys, thank you. 1,000 likes, okay?
All I need is